Did you know that your diet contributes to 80% of your overall health and well-being? Indeed, the power of food is immense. It fuels our bodies, nourishes our cells, and can even help fight off diseases. Today we're diving into the top 8 healthiest foods you should consider incorporating into your diet. These are the foods that not only taste good but do good, backed by the latest scientific research. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and should not replace professional medical advice. First on our list of superfoods are berries, nature's candy that's actually good for you. Bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients, these little gems are a powerhouse of health benefits. They are chock full of antioxidants, compounds that help fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, berries are among the fruits with the highest antioxidant levels. These antioxidants are essential for our well-being as they're known to combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Berries are also a great source of fiber, a nutrient that aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Plus, their natural sweetness can satisfy your sugar cravings without the unhealthy effects of processed sugars. Indeed, the saying "good things come in small packages" is true when it comes to berries. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, consider a handful of these vibrant, health-boosting fruits. Moving on to our second superfood, leafy greens, the unsung heroes of our plates. These vibrant veggies are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Packed to the brim with vitamins A, C and K, they also boast a wealth of minerals like calcium and iron. But that's not all. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, a key component for maintaining a healthy gut. There's a saying, a healthy gut is a happy you, and it couldn't be more accurate. Dietary fiber found in these greens aids digestion, reduces constipation, and helps maintain a healthy weight. It's even known to lower the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. A study in the Journal of Nutrition even suggests that consuming leafy greens daily may slow cognitive decline, keeping your brain sharp as you age. So, whether it's spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce, make sure to add a generous helping of greens to your meal. So, don't forget to add some greens to your plate next time. If you're finding this information helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more health tips. Your support keeps this channel going and enables us to continue bringing you the best advice on healthy eating. Now let's continue with our list of superfoods. Next on our list we have 2 superfoods that are rich in essential fats, fish and nuts. Now when we say essential fats, we are talking about those good fats, the ones your body needs to function optimally. And fish and nuts are 2 of the best sources of these healthy fats. Let's start with fish. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are integral to heart health, helping to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. They also play a crucial role in brain health. Studies have shown that people who eat a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids have a lower risk of dementia and mental decline. So, if you're looking to keep your heart healthy and your mind sharp, fish should definitely be on your menu. Now let's move on to nuts. Nuts are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. Almonds, for instance, are a great source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Walnuts, on the other hand, have high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, which is linked to improved cognitive performance in adults and brain health in infants. But that's not all. Nuts are also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full, making them an excellent snack for those looking to manage their weight. Plus, they're a great source of protein, making them an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans alike. So, whether you're tossing some walnuts in your salad or enjoying a piece of grilled salmon for dinner, including fish and nuts in your diet can provide a host of health benefits. From supporting heart health to boosting cognitive function, these 2 superfoods are not just tasty but incredibly nourishing. Indeed, fish and nuts are 2 superfoods that can boost your health in numerous ways. So why not make them a regular part of your eating routine? Your body will thank you for it. Moving on, we have 2 foods that are excellent for your digestion: whole grains and yogurt. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are packed with fiber, proteins, and a bevy of vitamins and minerals. The fiber in whole grains adds bulk to your diet, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. This can help control weight and manage hunger pangs. The fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. It feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which in turn produce short-chain fatty acids, These fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation and help in the prevention of chronic diseases. Not only that, but whole grains also contain B vitamins, which are essential for the health of your gut. These vitamins help your body extract energy from food, and also assist in the formation of red blood cells. Now let's talk about yogurt. This creamy delight is not just delicious, but also has numerous health benefits. One of the key benefits is its probiotic content. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They help balance your gut's microbiome, improving digestion and boosting your immune system. Moreover, yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, which are necessary for strong bones and muscles. It also contains vitamins like B2 and B12, which are crucial for maintaining your overall health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that people who consumed more yogurt and whole grains had a healthier gut microbiota composition. So, incorporating these foods in your diet can significantly impact your gut health. And remember, not all yogurts are created equal. Look for those with live and active cultures to get the maximum probiotic benefits. Similarly, when choosing whole grains, go for the least processed options. So if you want to keep your gut happy, don't forget to include whole grains and yogurt in your diet. Last but certainly not least, we have two foods that are packed with healthy fats: avocado and olive oil. Let's dive right in, shall we? Avocados, often referred to as alligator pears due to their shape and rough green skin, are a powerhouse of nutrition. Bursting with a healthy type of fat known as monounsaturated fat, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels. This in turn reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Now that's something to cheer about. More than just a heart-friendly fruit, avocados are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. These green gems also pack a punch when it comes to vitamins, boasting high amounts of vitamins K, C, E, and various B vitamins, including folate. Now let's shift gears and talk about olive oil. A staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is often hailed as one of the healthiest diets in the world, olive oil is a true nutritional superstar. Like avocados, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help reduce inflammation in the body, but the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil contains a unique antioxidant called oleocanthal, which has been shown to act similarly to anti-inflammatory drugs. This means it could potentially offer relief from conditions like arthritis. Moreover, studies have found that people who consume olive oil regularly are less likely to develop heart disease. It's even been associated with improved brain health and longevity. Incredible, isn't it? Incorporating these two superfoods into your diet does not have to be complex. Try adding slices of avocado to your salads or sandwiches, or use olive oil as a healthier alternative for cooking and salad dressings. Remember, it's all about balance. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to overall health and well-being. Incorporating these two superfoods into your diet can help you reap numerous health benefits. To recap, the top 8 healthiest foods to include in your diet are berries, leafy greens, fish, nuts, whole grains, yogurt, avocado, and olive oil. These foods provide a wealth of nutrients and health benefits. If you found this information helpful, then please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, check this other video on the screen. It's another one that will empower you on your way to a better health. See you there.